Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with a quick video. Today I will show you guys how to get the brand new wallpapers of the iPhone XS and the XS Max and them of the iPhone XR. So there are some pretty cool wallpapers and I found a website where you can get them in full HD. The resolution is amazing, especially on the XR wallpapers. So all you have to do is just open Safari and follow the link that I will leave right down below in the description of this video. Once you go to this website, here we'll find all the wallpapers. So you can see here all the iPhone X wallpapers here, and lower here you will be able to find the iPhone XR wallpapers. Now just notice here that this is a website where they post wallpapers. Now if you go ahead and follow this link, like a few days after this video, probably there will be some new wallpapers on the front page and you won't be able to see them. All you have to do here is just go ahead and search for iPhone XS right here on the search bar and it will show these wallpapers, as easy as that. So to add a wallpaper to your device, just simply open it, go ahead here and select for which device you want to download that wallpaper. So for the iPhone X, for the iPhone 6, 7 or 8, or for the iPad, just click one of them, it will open the wallpaper. As you can see right here, pretty awesome. Just go ahead, save it to your camera roll, and from here you know what to do, just go ahead and apply it to your device. So this is how you can get all the new wallpapers of the iPhone XS and the XR directly to your device right now. And as I said, the resolution is pretty awesome, especially the iPhone XR wallpapers are on really full HD resolution. The other ones are great as well. The resolution is not as same as the XR, as they are, I believe, like live pictures, and you won't be able to take them out with that full resolution. But the XR wallpapers are simply amazing. Go ahead, follow the link and check out the wallpapers. I hope you guys enjoy them and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.